Hello, Andrzej here. So it was a while since last update and a lot happened, so I want to show you what improvements happened to this project. Let's start with hardware improvements. First thing is this beautiful aluminium frame. Its size is 56 by 56 by 36 centimeter. Aluminium profiles allows me to rearrange every element depending on my needs. Second upgrade are those power supplies. Both power supplies are powered by single cable, which eases handling. Staying in electricity department, we can move to third upgrade. Now, stepper motor driver and microcontroller is mounted on printed PCB. Same applies to power distribution board, and everything snaps in place in very convenient way. Fourth upgrade is pump geometry optimization and adaptation to new frame. Fifth addition is spectrometer working in visible spectrum. Light from sample is carried by optic wire. Samples may be contained by this tube or cuvette. Okay, so this was about hardware. Now let's move to software. As you can see now, in a top bar, you can see only flowchart editor. Other buttons will appear when proper components of flowchart will be present. Another thing is that now you can toggle elements of sidebar to keep it clean. Another thing is that now connected devices are appearing here, so you can just add them by clicking proper button. Another thing that helps in life is the fact that you can control devices directly from flowchart. Then you can load entire flowchart from list of flowcharts, if you of course first save it here. And last but not least is addition of spectrometer. There are two spectrometers you can use. There are spectrometers connected by USB or by MQTT. And this is how spectrometer window looks like. Spectrometer allows you to perform two-point calibration, and you can also collect many samples to reduce noise. Measurements can be added to memory, and after this happens you can export many measurements together as a series.